Welcome and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Kadisha for those of you that are new here. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I'll be doing a video on packing the baby items with me for travel, for vacation. I decided to do this video because as a first time mom, this is something that I've been struggling with, trying to figure out what to pack for the baby, what not to pack for the baby. And being that this is the second flight that I'm taking my baby on, I kind of know what to take, like what I will use, what I won't use. So this video will be geared towards specifically things that you would need. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep on watching. First, I'm going to give you guys an overview of everything that I have laid out to pack for the baby. And then I'll show you how I'm going to organize that and pack that. So let us get started. First, let's get started on the medical items. So this is toothbrush and toothpaste for her. This is for 6 months plus. Currently she's 7 months, so this will work great for her. Then we have the Saline solution, which is for congested nose. If she has congested nose, these work great. We have the Benadryl for the children. This was approved by my doctor that I can give this to her. This is like if she has any allergies, skin irritation, hives, anything like that, this works great. Then we have the soothing rub, which will be good for her if she's congested as well. We have the vitamin D drops. I have to give her one of these every day so that she has the required vitamin D that she needs. This is probiotics for a healthy gut. We have the Tylenol in case she's having fever or pain or anything like that. You need this, and this is from 0 to 23 months, so this is great. We have the Boogie Wipes if she has the cold, and this is a Snot. This is a Snot sucker, which works really good. These are for teething. Currently, she's teething, so these work great for teething. Any discomfort she may have with the gums. You need the thermometer, brush, nail file. Baby nails get really long, really fast, so you need nail file. This is a medicine dropper. And we have the comb. This is another nose sucker. This is a different type from this one. Both works good. And then this is another toothbrush. You never have too many. So this is her little medical bag. All her supplies that she would need. Moving on. So you need toys to keep the baby entertained on the plane. So these are little suction toys. You can stick it onto the window and they can play with them. This is a teeter. As I mentioned, she's teething. These are also other teeters. She likes the remote, because whenever you're watching TV, she tried to take it. So this is good for her. I think she'll like this. And these are new toys that I'll be introducing to her, just so that it keeps her attention for a lot longer and it's not something that she's accustomed to. This is another teeter, a little phone. These are cute. These are really handy. So what these are used for, you hook it on like this, and you can hook it on the stroller so that when you're in the airport, like, her toys won't fall on the floor. So these are really good for that. I highly recommend to get these if you're traveling. And just some more toys. I got her some beach toys because obviously we're going on vacation. We're going to be at the beach, so these will be great for her to use at the beach. These are some toys for her for the bath time. When she's having a bath, she likes to play with something, so these will keep her occupied. Here we have, this is the bottle cleaner, a portable bottle cleaner for traveling. So it makes it good. This is the small one. This is the big one. And it kind of connects like this together. And then you have all these different ones. You can put the bottle to dry. So it's kind of a bottle cleaner plus drying rack. So this is really great and handy for travel. And then this is small baby dish soap. So this is also good. Then we have the person cover. These are the packing cubes that I'm going to use to put the stuff in. We have some diapers, some wipes, of course. Then we have her shoes, her cute little Crocs that she'll be wearing. And we got her some sunglasses. Why not? Just for her to look cute. Some sun hats, bucket hats to protect her from the sun. And we have a couple of swimwear. Now this is what you call a swim nappy. These are swimmable diapers that she can use when we take her to the water, which is great because you don't have to use the regular diapers. You can use these ones. Actually, you can't use the regular diapers for the water. So these are really good, and I like that it has like multiple clips. So as you see, this has so many different clips, means that you can adjust the size and it grows with a baby, and also the length as well. So you can adjust the width and the length to fit perfectly on a baby. I got these from Amazon and they're called swim diapers. Once you type that in, you'll find them. These are great. And then we just have a bunch of clothes here for her. As a breastfeeding mom, I'm gonna need my pumps and milk storage bags, so I have that. These are for her to take on the plane. Just food for her to have, banana or apple. I didn't want to mix it with different flavors because I'm now introducing her to solids, so I don't want to introduce like more than one thing at a time. So that's why I just got like banana or just apple, and then just some extra formula for on the plane in addition to my breast milk if need be. And we obviously, you need the pacifiers. These work well for when you're taking off or landing. It helps with the baby ear popping. And then you have the pacifier clips so that they don't drop on the floor. So I highly recommend getting these. And then this is a changing pad. This is the headrest portion, and then this is extra diapers and wipe storage. So this is perfect. And then you have a little zip part here where you can put the baby diaper rash cream. I currently use the Vaseline for her because this works good. Now that I gave you guys an overview of everything that I'll be packing, I'll organize it now and show you how I put it into the suitcase. guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. I would link the items that I packed down below for convenience. Closer to the trip, I'll add other items that I didn't show here in the video, which is baby bottles and baby blankets, because sometimes on the plane it gets really cold, so you want to make sure that you have a thick blanket for the baby. This is the thick blanket that I'll be using. It's really fluffy and thick. I'm not gonna add it to the suitcase because this is one that I will carry on with me, so I'll keep this to put in the stroller for her, so that we have it for her when we go on the plane to keep her warm, because sometimes it's really cold on the plane, you just never know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.